Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dove 3.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 11.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair exploded 2.8% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tech stocks rocketed higher after the consumer price index showed signs of easing inflation. Stocks in the cloud computing, e-commerce and payments sectors showed particular strength, but the rally lifted nearly every tech company significantly. Indonesia plans to move the regulation, supervision and oversight of cryptocurrency investments to the Financial Service Authority to better protect investors, its finance minister said. The US Treasury Department said it expects currency market interventions, like Japan's in September, should be reserved for exceptional circumstances, as it kept Tokyo on a list of partners whose practices it is monitoring.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.